Okay, so let's discuss the icons on the toolbar for Google Sheets. You have the search menus. You can type in a task and it can search the menus to help you find what you're looking for. Undo, where you undo something. Redo, you redo something that you've done before. Print. Paint format allows you to copy a format from one cell to the next. So let's say that this is bold and I wanted to bold something else. I can click paint format and click the cell and it's going to bold it for me. This is your zoom and you've got options, $sign. So if you want to change a number so that it's in currency or percent, that's what you click. And if you make something percent, you have the option of decreasing the zeros or increasing the zeros. You have the option of more formats because these are numbers that we're dealing with. So you can make it so that it just reads it like text, not like a number. All right, you have all of these other ways that you can format numbers. Here are your fonts. You can change your text, your fonts to anything you want. Here you can change the size, either decrease, increase, or select a font size. Bold, italics, strike through. If you wanted to strike through some numbers, you can do that. Change the color of your text. Fill one of the cells with a color. You can put borders on your cells, or you can take borders off of your cells. Let's say that you have two cells selected. I can use this. I can merge them, or I can do the same thing and I can unmerge them. Right here, I can change the alignments, left align, center align, right aligns. Right here, I can change the alignment within the cell. It can be at the top, or it can be aligned to the center, or let's see, this one's better. It can be aligned on the bottom. So it was center aligned. Now that's bottom aligned. All right, text wrapping. Right now, this cell is text wrapped, which means that the text is going to stay in the cell. If I take off text wrap and have it overflow, it's going to stretch across the cell next to it. I can change the way the words appear in the cell. So that's text rotation. If I wanted to insert a link, I could click this and put in, I'm linking this to, so this talks about online communities. It automatically pulled up a website that dealt with online communities. So that's how you would link. I can leave a comment. I can insert a chart. So basically what it did was it grabbed the information that was in the column and it created a chart. I can filter. Filter allows me basically to search a document for certain things. You can have it, you can select the way you have your filters show up, and functions. If I select these numbers, I can have it added, average, count, and so on. So those are all the different things you can do right there from the icons on the Google Sheet toolbar.